So we need to find some fruits and vegetables.
I think
breakfast number 1.
Chef's Jenna Goldsack.
Yeah, you know the vibe. Breakfast number 2 coming soon. Get that big old gobbo for me. The all-you-can-eat show.
Veggie edition. Nutritious and delicious.
Yep. Bought some 2 cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
What do you call it?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. What do you call it?
Cucumbers. Come.
Some celery.
I hate raw celery.
I
There's
absolutely
nothing worse.
hate celery. And 2 raw bell peppers. He had breakfast about 5 minutes ago, so this is perfect timing, really.
Full.
So what's the plan?
Got a bit of time right now.
So, do we do a minute? How much of all? We're not gonna
eat that in a minute.
All right. So how long do we give? 2 minutes. We've got 2 minutes to eat as much of this as you can. I'm gonna have to take my jumper off this, I think.
Oh, you're so bloody.
Have you got water?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
There's a dog bowl down there. 2 minutes. So we can abandon.
Okay, so I
abandon them.
Yeah, you can abandon
to
them.
move on to something else.
Yeah.
Because what if that takes me 2 minutes to eat? For one thing.
It can't take you 2 minutes to eat, otherwise I'd have won.
Inspired by Joanna Wilson, who was eating a cucumber on her channel. So,
thanks, Joanna.
Cheers, Jay.
You're inspiring.
You're my inspiration.
Yeah. Oh God, what am I going to go for first? All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm scared. I'm gonna change.
I can't eat the leaf on the bottom. It's horrible.
Oh.
I can't swallow it.
I'm coming back to that. That's so horrible. Oh, this is so ugly. I'm a bit worried about my retainer coming off. I hope so real. 20. Oh God. This is me. Oh, that's so horrible. He's still part of my cucumber, let's be honest. So this here is a pretty eaten. Who's more eaten? Oh, mine's more eaten, okay. Then we've got, oh, you've won the
one on the celery.
Well, by the skin of your bloody celery. And the cucumber. Who's done the most of the, oh, is it? Oh, it's pretty neck and neck there, mate. I think you've had a good go on your, and you've not even touched. You know what that means? I have got the biggest gob. Doesn't matter what it is. Polo will eat it. No, it's definitely later than that. It's about 5 o'clock. Is it 6 o'clock? So it's gonna get dark in an hour. Yep. It's gonna dark in an hour. We are packing the car. This is gonna be our bed for the night. Just got to see if the duvet works.
Put the chairs forward then. I'm happy.
That is actually, do you know what? That's, you can't tell me that's not comfortable.
Yes.
I didn't know that your car could do so many amazing things.
Yeah.
I didn't.
This is what we're working with. We've got half a bed basically because we didn't realise the seats weren't going to be quite as flat.
For you, Jenna. Didn't know it'd be in a car.
What time is it?
6:42 p.m.
So it gets dark here usually at what, like 8:30?
Yeah, I reckon.
find somewhere that we're not going to get moved on. Otherwise, we're just going to be driving around all night.
Yeah, ours will be around
back there.
The camera's around that side.
Okay. We've got about 10 minutes till it gets dark.
Right.
Alright, so wait, what did it say?
Forbidden to traffic motor vehicles except holders or of permits since June 2017.
Do we go?
I mean, are they going to check?
Well, it looks like we're about to find a bloody spot. Well. Huh? I mean,
P stream.
there is a pea stream. That is ideal, mate. Quick shoe change. Now we've arrived. At least the sun stayed out.
Laura's setting up dinner on the dining table
Well,
that we've got.
Things first, it's not a proper establishment if you haven't got a tablecloth. No. Oh, nice to have a candle would be for this moment.
Get the flashlight. Honestly, look at this spread. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Bowls and everything.
Yes. Did we not bring the salad?
Yeah.
Isn't that bowl? No, that was...
No! What is that?
This is just the veg.
But there was the other glass dish.
That was Levi's dinner. Well, we've got some soggy veg.
Salad in the fridge.
Yeah. Oh well, enjoy your dinner. Don't eat it all at once.
That's so sad.
What else did we get from the Babylon supermarket? Oh yeah.
Cozy.
You know what would have been really nice with that? The salad. So my followers dared me to go camping with my dog. Here she is.
Oh, yeah, fair. I'm happy.
I'm really happy about this.
Fucking raining.
Oh no.
Put that stuff on the brioche.
The one, bro. This has been the nicest dare ever so far.
Lovely dare.
Depends if Jenna snores.
I don't. I'm not.
I pretty much don't move. Like, I'll just find a spot. I mean, we've only got a few positions to choose from in this bed of this size.
My legs are too long.
She's 5'9". Apparently, those 2 inches really make a difference. 3 inches.
Yeah, they do. Yes, they do. It's something polo, and it's the horse symbol.
Ralph Lauren.
Yeah. You do know this guy. You know in The Hangover.
Wait.
The fit one. That singer.
Man, woman.
I don't know what he sung though. I just
The one that said, wait, Big Sean.
no seal.
I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah. Oh, I don't know that one. I can't believe you're not getting the bit at the end. The pause
Maybe
and
you should say yes.
Yes! Morning campers. Loving it. Loving the bloody van. Loves Dare Laura too.
My legs hurt. That's still hot. I will. My hat.
If it's still hot.
Yeah.
Well, it is a Prada bottle, so...
I filled up 13 hours ago.
Oh my god, look.
It's steaming.
Yes, hot. It's lukewarm, but it's not cold. Going off to align my chakras. Well, they always say that the days you don't want to do it are the ones that matter most. And, well, they don't say that, I say that. And today I really don't want to do this. Getting spoilt with these sunny days, but I've got really, really bad cramps in my belly today, so I know my body could do with it, but oh gosh. Are you getting that right now? Because it's raining. But Someone's got to do it. Well, if our neighbours, when I say neighbours I mean our other camper van, didn't think that we were strange enough already just putting up in the back of the car and camping out, they definitely think I'm weird now. Dare Laura to. Dare yourself.